All right, hello everybody. Dean here. Today we're going to be unboxing a new Meinl Turbo Slaptop Cajon, and I'll show you what it is. It's a new drum I just got. Today we're going to unbox it and check it out. It just came in from the UPS guy. So here we go. I had seen these on the internet and I thought they were cool and I wanted to check one out. So here we go. Gotta be careful not to cut the actual contents. Okay. Ooh, it looks nice already. Look at that. It's kind of a new to me, this product. A lot of good other percussion products from Meinl. Meinl, I believe, is a German company. And here it is. Little foam blocks in the way. We're going to do a demo of it too. Oh, it's a little bit more sporty and small than I thought. But that's okay. Yeah, okay. That end aims at you guys, the audience. There we go. Now, I've played drums for 30 years. I'm not really that much of a hand percussionist, but it might be more suitable for me at this age to kick over to hand drums. So we're going to test this thing out. Wow, look at that. It looks sharp. Alrighty, okay. Ooh, boy, smooth. I'm going to show you guys this thing and tell you what I've heard on the internet about it, some of the reviews. Okay, it's the Turbo Slaptop Cajon. Most of the old Cajon instruments are like a box you sit on and you play down low like that. But this is unique because you play on top of it, the top Cajon. And as you can see, the bass, there's bass in the middle. It comes out here, and then these are supposedly snares on the sides. We're going to test those out in a minute. And this is your whole playing surface here. It has knee pads here to go on, or actually on top of your thighs here to hold the thing up. So the playing mode is like this. Well, that is very comfortable for me too. Before we play it, let's get this thing out of the road. All right, here we go. Time to check it out. The Meinl Slaptop Turbo Cajon. Here we go. Let's see, snare. That's the bass. Now it supposedly has an unsnared snare drum type sound up here in the front section of this thing. Yeah, there you go. Lower down here. So you got this section in the middle, high, and then the bass. Now on the here, we supposedly have some snare drums here. We're going to check those out. Here we go. Ah, yeah, it has a definite, like, you could hear like snares rattling, like snare chain. You can hear that. This thing already, because I always drum on the tabletops and people get mad at me. With this thing I can just take it wherever I want and go drum. It'll be good to jam with my brothers with their acoustic guitars. But yeah, let's check it out some more. I'm gonna really play it so you guys that are thinking about getting one can really hear it. I'll hit each of the areas separately. Lower. That's supposed to be your bass, which is pretty good. Yeah, if you go right in the middle, you can get a really good bass thud out of it. front side of it. The back is just plain. It doesn't have the you know, the air holes coming out to pump the sound out and let the air pressure out when you hit it. They're faced at you, the audience. But this is going to be great for like acoustic jams. I use my ring as part of my snare sometimes. Check it for finger drumming. Very nice. I love this thing already. This is going to be fun for years to come. So this is the Meinl Turbo Slaptop Cajon. I highly recommend it. It's got some nice feet on the bottom. If you want to just sit it on the floor, it can double as a coffee table. One review I read, a guy said the surface was too hard to play for your hands, but really, it's really pretty soft. It's not that bad for a wood surface. Very nice. All right, thanks everybody. I'll talk to you later. Thank you.